Hey guys, Neil here. We are back with another video, and today we're going to talk about two things I wish I knew about pixels, which would have helped me progress even more. So yeah, this is me. I have these levels that I think are very necessary in pixels. I have farming level 36. Forestry is quite leveled up as well, and cooking, this is one of my favorite one because it also generates passive income. But let's talk about beverage master, and later on we'll talk about cooking and why is it generating passive income and the things I wish I knew about it so I could level it up even faster. So if you guys watch my video about one of my routines, I make case of makchuk 3 times a day. Now guys, I wish I knew about the trick on leveling this up because I know it's not easy to level up. You have to get through all this bottle of wines for you to be able to get the level 26 for you to craft the case of makchuk meat. But here is how you can level it up very easy. You can go north of Terravilla and get inside Barney's Bazaar. You can buy ingredients here, but also there is this brewing machine where you can brew dozen Grumpkin spice lattes. Once you have a level 1 beverage master, you should be able to see this dozen Grumpkin spice latte, and these are the ingredients that you need to be able to craft 12 of this Grumpkin spice lattes. You can also craft this individually. That is if you're doing quest, but if you want to level up your winemaking, this is actually big guys. This is plus 4200 XP for your beverage master. So if we're gonna open pixels.tips, you can see here under winemaking, you can craft this spice latte for around 15,000 coins. But if you want to level up while you also generate some profit, you can go for Grumpkin Spice Latte. What's actually good guys is you can craft this and you can get some decent levels while you also generate a little bit of profit just so you can level up your winemaking. Now for the second one guys is I want you guys to check the pixels.tips, click cooking. Now what I wish I knew guys is that you can craft this if you are actually around level 18. And yes, once you have those levels, you can click on lands, right click and open link in new tab. And then from here guys, type in barn queue. Okay, you can also like filter it by the amount of industry you want. So here you can find lands where you can use barn queue, and then from there just teleport to those lands, and then from there guys you can make this dry maple glaze Grumpkin slabs, and you can just wait for 35 minutes, and I guarantee you guys it gets bought very fast, given that it's one of the best deals if you want to buy energy consumables. Okay, so here you just go to the marketplace and then click on sell, and then here I will just copy the price. Okay, alright, let's just wait for a few moments. Yes, it should be sold in an instant, and you get the profit of almost 2,000 coins for every dry maple glaze that you make. And yeah, I guess this is all guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.